come back here, I don't get off the boat. When y'all get the gasoline, signal me.
We'll signal you when you should return.
Do you trust that guy?
It's good people.
Fair enough. But you're the first 3 people in the world I have ever trusted. Shit, I don't even trust myself.
Well, I don't know, Nick. I learned to trust you, so what do I know?
In that case, I can trust your judgment in this matter.
Look here. Gas station right across the street. We could have already been there and back by now. Come on. Man, I sure wish the burger tank was open.
Grabbing a bile bomb. Guns right here. Watch out!
Careful now. God damn it!
Gas, 2 miles. Through that playground. We're gonna be coming back through here, so keep an eye out for the landmarks.
Let's hustle, people. Storm's coming quick around here.
Reload. Adrenaline shot here. Mom, you do that again. Reloading.
Sounds like one of them smoker bitches.
Reloading. Hey, head for the garage. Over here.
artist, get up!
Thanks a lot. Hey, can somebody watch my back? I'm gonna heal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a damn Annie open. Charger!
Got him.
We got a damn Annie open.
Watch out! Reload!
Go with the rifle.
I'm reloading. Watch out!
Y'all gonna close the door?
Reloading.
Wait a second. That's what I'm talking about! This rain ain't letting up. Phil's here.
In here. There's a spitter around.
We're not going any further on this road. We can head through the sugar mill. Watch out!
Let's go!
Go inbound! Heads up! Oh! Much obliged. Yeah. Hey, look out! Oh!
Just take this.
Watch out!
Up that ramp. We're in for a nasty damn storm. Oh, this was not my plan.
God damn it. What's with all these witches?
The last time I saw this many crying women was at my wedding.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Thanks, I owe you one.
Up here.
Watch out!
I hit it.
This ain't gonna be good.
I'm ready already. Hey man, we should keep going.
I got you. Good thing. Let's go.
Here I am.
Sounds like a smoker.
Can anybody see that witch?
Holy shit, that's a lot of witches.
Head toward the side.
Keep moving. Bill.
Shit, they beat you good. Let me hear it.
Here you go, man.
Whew, thanks, Ellis. I guess I will keep you.
It says here the gas is inside. Hey, there's gas in the safe room.
Hey, get in here. Come on, people, come on, get in here.
Hey, wait a second. Man, we learned your asses.
We got it. Let's hump it back to the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Michelle, you don't look so good.
Yeah, I'm feeling right.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course.
Hey, we gotta get back through that field.
Reloading.
Reloading.
There's a freaking jockey around here. Do it, man!
That thing's fighting!
We'll take the elevator back up.
Fire witch.
Everybody lights on.
Storm coming! Healing. Cover me, please. Reloading. Oh, yeah.
You can cross on that tank. Jockey on me!
Taken care of.
Damn.
Here, Hunter. gonna reload. We can get across the water here. Oh, shit, this hurts.
Just hang on.
You can have this.
All right, thanks.
I owe you one.
You
Oh,
are welcome.
yeah. There's the entrance. We're almost out of here. Let's go, let's go.
Let's get her.
They ain't taking us alive. Man, the whole place is underwater.
We can get across on the rooftops.
That crying girl's around.
Watch out!
Watch out!
Reloading.
Oh, I remember passing these lights on the way in. Storm! There's that garage sale.
Heads up! Look out! Reloading!
Careful now. Boomer.
The playground. Yeah, we're almost at the dock.
Reloading.
Hey, there's that truck. Storm coming! much further. I need every one of you inside now! Get inside, y'all!
Inside now!
Wait a sec. That's what I'm talking about!
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
We can use the burger tank sign to signal him.
Sure, that might work. Hey, look out! Storm coming! Somebody turn the sign on. Sign's on, baby! Sign is on! They're coming!
That ain't right.
Here they come!
I'm reloading.
Are you really gonna shoot the guy
Reloading.
in $2,000 suit? Come on.
Grabbing first aid.
Ammo.
Flow, y'all. Boomer around.
Watch out! Reload! Reloading! Wait a second. I gotta heal.